Hey guys, it's the Macaroni Diamond, and today we're going to be making pancakes from scratch. So let's get right to it. So what you're going to need is 2 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 cups of milk, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of butter. What I've done here is I've mixed all my dry ingredients together. And if you have salted butter, don't add your salt. Mix all of your ingredients in a medium mixing bowl so there's no lumps. In a separate mixing bowl, add your egg and your milk together. And mix it together. And then you're going to add, once it's done mixing, you're going to add it into your flour mixture. And then mix it together till it's pretty smooth. So, do that. Until it's nice and smooth. So, I'll be back when it's smooth. Put butter on your griddle or your pan and let it melt, and put it on medium-high heat or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And push the butter around the griddle so that it doesn't nowhere, the pancake doesn't stick anywhere on the pan. Add a 1/4 cup of batter on your griddle or your pan. And once it starts to bubble on the top a little bit, flip it over, and on that side, cook it for about a minute. Now you can see they're nice and bubbly, so I'm going to flip them over. And cook them for about 1 minute. This video makes about a dozen pancakes, and put your favorite syrup on top of them. And yeah, pretty much the video. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know by commenting, and subscribing. Peace.